Whether seeking to reflect your personality, mood, or just adding a touch of creativity to your conversations, learning how to change your chat theme on Instagram is not just easy. It's also a fun process that allows you to make each interaction distinctively yours. Customizing your Instagram chat theme is a fun way to add a personal touch to your conversations. Here's how to do it step by step. Scroll through your chats and tap on the one you want to customize. Once you're in the chat, tap on the name of the person or group at the top of the screen. This will bring up the chat settings menu, where all the customization options are stored. Look for the theme option. It's your gateway to a whole new chat aesthetic. When you tap on theme, Instagram will display a variety of themes to choose from. These range from simple colors to more elaborate patterns. Take your time scrolling through and previewing the options. Whether you're in the mood for something bright and cheery or dark and sleek, there's a theme for every vibe. Once you've made your choice, tap on the theme to apply it. The changes will instantly transform your chat, updating the background, bubble colors, and overall look. It's like giving your chat a mini makeover, making it feel fresh and unique. If you ever want to switch back to the original Instagram look, it's just as simple. Go back to the theme section, scroll down to Colors and Gradients, and select the default theme. Your chat will return to its classic, clean appearance. For iPhone users, there's even a shortcut. Instead of diving into the settings, just press and hold the chat background during a conversation. A theme selection tray will pop up, letting you pick a new look on the spot without extra steps. That's all it takes to change your Instagram chat theme. Whether you're setting a mood or just keeping things fresh, this feature lets you customize your DMs with ease. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips. See you next time.